Hey ladies, in this video we're going to be talking about how to use Sephora Referral program. So using the Sephora Referral program, often called the Sephora Star or Refer a Friend depending on the region, allows Beauty Insider members to earn rewards for inviting new customers to shop online. In some regions, this is specifically for Black or Gold tier members, while others have broader programs. So all you need to do is sign in into your Sephora Beauty Pass Insider account. For example, in Singapore or Malaysia, you sign up as a Sephora Star to receive a unique code via email within an hour. In the US, you may find a referral link in your profile. Send your unique referral code or link to friends who have never purchased from Sephora online before. You will receive rewards such as 100 or 500 Beauty Pass points or potential contest prizes for every successful referral. In some regions, you can check your ranking or total redemption via a dedicated campaign leaderboard page in your app notification. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.